Hey guys, today I'm making fish fajitas with homemade coleslaw and salsa. Directly into your roasting pan, add in your onion and peppers, followed by your fish. I'm using hake, but you could use anything you prefer. Add in your Cajun spice or any chicken spice, garlic, ground chili, ground cumin, lemon juice, oil, and some salt and pepper. Using clean hands, mix everything together well. Spread everything out evenly into a single layer and try to lay the fish on top of the vegetables. Bake this in a 200-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes and turn everything over once halfway. Remove from the oven and cool slightly and serve with some flour tortillas. I'm using a homemade naan, and make sure to check out that recipe. Serve it as is, or you could serve it along with some homemade coleslaw and homemade salsa. To make your coleslaw, shred your cabbage and place it into a bowl. Rinse it and drain well. Then finally chop your onion and add it to your cabbage. Along with 1 carrot grated on the finer side of the grater. Place the carrot in the bowl and then add in your sugar, salt, pepper, lemon juice, buttermilk, and if you don't have buttermilk, simply add a tablespoon of vinegar into your milk, mix it well and allow it to stand for 5 minutes, and then it's ready to use as buttermilk. And lastly, your mayo. Mix everything together well. Cover in some cling wrap and refrigerate till needed. The longer you can refrigerate this, the better. Up to 12 hours is excellent. To make your salsa, into a bowl add in your tomatoes, onion, garlic, chili, and coriander. Mix everything together well. Cover in some cling wrap and refrigerate till needed. Serve up your fajitas with some coleslaw and some of your homemade salsa, and it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy!